scoutmasters, families, girlfriends. Yeah, it's all the same. Just a bunch of whiny voices trying to tell you what's right and wrong. No more. Now you listen only to me. The leaders you've had before were weak. I declare this our new kingdom. Here is where we will make our stand. Here, where we are truly free.
And the Vizier is
Death
here.
and destruction, Zigzag. My kingdom will come to destruction and death.
Be calm, Serene Highness. You must catch your breath. What dawn of disaster? Why speak you of death?
I've had a dream, a nightmare. No, a vision of invasion.
Food, I'm still hungry here. I think I just lost my appetite.
Who dares enter the camp of the mighty One-Eye?
Oh, mighty One-Eye. I am Zigzag, the great of the Golden Land. And I am a magician, a sorcerer too. And I'm in a position, I think, to serve you.
With only the Golden City left to conquer, the terrible One-Eyes were on the march.
One-Eyes win again!
Must warn like the king.
And I shall conquer the Golden City.
Goofy! Oh, are you okay?
Why, sure I am.
Okay, which wrench matches the shape of the nut on Goofy's skateboard? This one, the triangle shape. Right!
But you should know, it is his destiny to bring about the destruction of the earth.
We can rebuild him. We have the technology. We have the capability to make a softer fabric softener. We can make him better than he was before. Better, softer, more huggable. With our 3 times concentrated formula, we can make him softer than Downy and cost less. Introducing new and improved Snuggle Fabric Softener. Softness now has a new hero.
One-Eyes win again!
New hero. New hero. New hero.
The all-new LG Cinema 3D Smart TV.
The Blessed Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam declared, every prophet warned his people about the Antichrist, about Dajjal, the false Messiah. And the prophet Noah warned his people. But I say to you something that none have said before me. The Antichrist sees with one eye, his left eye. He's blind in the right eye. It looks like a bulging grape. But your Lord is not one eye.
The Islamic parallel to the Antichrist, the Dajjal, is often described as a short, stout man with one eye.
There seems to be some emphasis about the protruding eye. Some people say it could be reference to the television screen or to the computer, the internet, and so on. And though it may seem far-fetched in some ways, the idea of it being able to be widespread, very influential, seemingly good, yet deceptive, all these elements that are underlying the notion of the Dajjal